A jury has decided the fate of a woman from Texas accused of putting planes into the hands of narco traffickers. She also had an alleged multi-million-dollar Ponzi scheme. A WFAA investigation sparked the federal trial, and now there is a verdict. Investigative reporter Tanya Iser is live in Sherman. Tanya, what did the jury just decide?
Well, Cynthia, this guilty verdict is nothing short of historic. The first time that an aircraft trust company owner has been found guilty of putting planes into the hands of drug smugglers. Now, this is Debra Mercer-Erwin as U.S. Marshals led her away in handcuffs. The jury having convicted her of 2 counts of drug conspiracy. The jury concluded that the planes her company registered in trust for non-U.S. citizens were being used by drug traffickers. The jury also found her guilty on wire fraud and money laundering, those charges stemming from a Ponzi scheme involving plane deals. The jury did not find her guilty on a 3rd count of drug conspiracy, as well as on export and registration violations. Look, we started this journey 4 years ago with a question of why were so many planes registered in a tiny East Texas town with no airport? And the answer surprised us, and it's now led to what prosecutors call a landmark verdict, one that is sure to send ripples throughout the aviation industry. Mercer-Erwin's attorney, Joe White, he didn't comment to us as he left the courthouse. And take a listen to what prosecutor Ernest Gonzalez had to say after the verdict.
The jury got to see how drug trafficking works, how everybody plays a part, how the facilitation of the aircraft is a vital part of it, and they understood it. It's good to come to this result and to the culmination of this result. Obviously, it was an investigation started by WFAA. It got our attention that this was going on.
Now, after the verdict, U.S. Marshals allowed Mercer-Erwin to hug her husband and her daughter. A date for sentencing has not yet been set, but she faces decades in prison.